Commercial roofing quotes in Mint Hill. Looking for commercial roofing quotes in Mint Hill? Wondering how much a new roof will cost your business? Getting accurate estimates is essential. Let's break down what affects these quotes. First up, the size of your roof matters. Bigger roofs mean more materials and labor. Roof complexity plays a role too. A simple flat roof is cheaper than one with multiple slopes. Different roofing materials come with different prices. Asphalt shingles are common and budget-friendly. Metal roofs last longer, but cost more upfront. Mint Hill's weather can influence your choice. We face rain, wind, and occasional storms here. Choosing the right material helps your building withstand the elements. An inspection by a licensed roofing contractor is a smart move. They'll check your roof's condition and spot any issues. Local roofers understand Mint Hill's specific needs. They know what works best in our area. When seeking quotes, consider the best-rated roofing contractors. They offer top-notch services and quality workmanship. Don't hesitate to ask for roofing price estimates. It's important to know what you're getting into. Some contractors use innovative roofing calculators for quick quotes. These tools factor in roof size, materials, and labor costs. Roof slope affects the project's complexity and cost. Steeper roofs might require special equipment. Mint Hill roofers can guide you through the process. They'll explain options and help you make informed decisions. Whether you need a roof repair or a roof replacement, they've got you covered. Roof repair services address minor issues before they become major problems. Emergency roof repairs are available if you need immediate help. Replacing an old roof is a bigger investment, but can save money over time. Energy-efficient roofing options might lower your utility bills. Consider architectural shingles for a stylish and durable roof. They offer better protection than standard asphalt shingles. Roofing materials have evolved over the years. Metal roofs are gaining popularity for their longevity. They handle harsh weather and need less maintenance. When choosing a roofing contractor, look for experience and reliability. A local roofing company understands Mint Hill's climate and building codes. Check if they're licensed and meet industry standards. Roofing problems can disrupt your business operations. Timely services prevent further damage. Regular roof inspections help maintain your roof's health. It's a simple way to avoid costly repairs later. Remember, your roof protects everything inside your building. Investing in quality roofing is investing in your business. Don't shy away from requesting commercial roofing quotes. It's the first step toward a secure and durable roof. Mint Hill is a great place to do business. Let's keep your commercial building in top shape. Reach out to local roofers for your commercial roofing quotes.